In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix try another verification method in Microsoft Rewards. So, in case you're using the Microsoft Rewards and you get this message over here when you're trying to put in your phone number and it says try another verification method, that verification method isn't working right now, please try another method. Learn more and says cancel, and that's the only option. You can fix this actually quite easily. Now, I found a solution that worked for me and for many other people, so I hope it will for you too. Now, sometimes when you do this, people try to use their Google Voice or another phone number to put it in there, and then they get this error. The way to fix this thing is to actually put in and link your real phone number from your regular telephone company. So it has to be your personal, real kind of phone number, not a Google Voice or any other online service phone number, in order for this to be able to work, okay? So that's very, very important. Now, once you do this, you may get a thing where it doesn't allow you to switch the phone number for about 2 days. So you just have to wait 2 to 3 days, and it will allow you to put in your number again. And that time, make sure you put in your exact number of your telephone company, of your cell phone basically that you have in hand and your friends can call you to. And that should work and most likely will work. Now, in case it doesn't, make sure to contact Microsoft support and tell them, and they will help you out and tell you what to do. Now, it does take 2 to 3 days for them to respond, usually. That's what I found out. However, they will help you fix your issue and they will tell you the exact same thing. So you basically can't use the Google Voice phone number or any other phone number apart from the one you actually have on your phone and you use to kind of make phone calls and to get the phone calls too when your family members, friends, and anyone calling you calls you too. So that's pretty much the easiest and the only solution to this method. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.